Hi, everybody. I'm Chance Glenn. I'm the president of Morningbird Media Corporation and co inventor of the Electronic Alchemy eForge. Now, given the situation that we're in with the COVID 19 virus, it's probably not a good idea to bring the whole team together. I'm speaking on behalf of the team. We are poised and ready to move this technology out to the marketplace. Given we have worked on the technology development of this for the better part of 3 years. We have been supported by NASA. We have been supported by educational institutions. We have been supported by major industry in a number of different ways because of the interest of doing this. This is a product that would do something that others are not yet poised to do. We've developed materials that will allow us to 3D print functional electronic devices. We have printed already sensors and other simple electronics, and we're looking to take this to the next level and really enable creativity. We are excited about the idea that we are creating a tool that will allow so many creative minds to innovate in ways that we haven't even thought of yet. This funding that we're seeking will allow us to get to the product in a sales stage. We are a few months away from that. All we need are the resources to get us there. So thank you, and I look forward to hearing back from you as we move forward with this development.